Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I am Tahir Javed, SS Pakistan Studies in DPS in Inter College Sahiwal. I welcome you in online classes at DPS and Inter College Sahiwal. Let's start our today's lesson.
Today our topic is instrument used for measuring intensity of earthquake. Learning objectives. By the end of the lesson, students will be able to explain the instrument used for measuring intensity of earthquake. Earthquake. Definition. What is the definition of earthquake? Earthquake is vibration and shaking movement at the surface of the earth. The vibration and shaking movement at the surface of the earth is known as earthquake. What is tsunami? Tsunami is the word of Japanese language. It means huge coastal waves of ocean. How tsunami is produced? Actually, in the same way, cracks are present in the oceanic bed as the cracks are present on the surface of the earth. When the movement occurred in the cracks of oceanic bed, huge coastal waves are produced. These huge coastal waves are called the tsunami. What is the difference between earthquake and tsunami? Earthquake occurred on the surface of the earth by the movement of the cracks present on the surface of the earth. Earthquake occurred by the movement of the cracks present on the surface of the earth, but tsunami produced by the movement in cracks present in the oceanic bed. Causes of earthquakes. There are the two major causes of earthquakes. First one is movements of plates, and the second one is volcanism. Most of the earthquakes occurs due to the movements of tectonic plates. When these plates collide with each other, the earth's surface vibrates. Wherever there is a fault line in the world, there are centers for earthquakes. Volcanism. Earthquakes also occur due to volcanism. When lava erupts out from any weak part of the earth, there is a movement on the surface of earth. In this way, volcanism becomes a cause of earthquake. Which instrument is used for measuring the intensity of earthquake? Seismograph. Seismograph is the instrument which is used for measuring the intensity of earthquake. We shall discuss about the structure of seismograph. Seismograph is consist on a frame. You can see picture. In the picture, seismograph frame is connected with a wire. and wire is connected with a heavy weight from one side, and other side of the wire is connected with the frame, and a pen is connected with the heavy weight. When earth moves vertically or horizontally, the pen also move due to the movement of the earth. Due to the movement of the pen, a sketch is drawn on the paper. This paper is present on the revolving paper drum, and by using this sketch we can measure the intensity of earthquake. This is the mechanism of a seismograph. Seismograph is a frame, and in this frame one wire is connected with the frame, and one side of the wire is connected with the frame, and other side of the wire is connected with the heavy weight, and heavy weight is connected with the pen. And due to the movement of the earth, the vibration of earthquake is felt on the seismograph, and due to this vibration, the pen also vibrate, wire also vibrate, and weight also vibrate, and due to this vibration, pen move on the revolving paper drum and draw a sketch on the paper, and with the help of this sketch we can measure the intensity of earthquake. Richter scale. What is Richter scale? Richter scale is used for measuring the intensity of earthquake. And what is the value of this scale? The value of the Richter scale varies from 0 to 9. In other words, earthquake can be produced with the magnitude from 0 to 9. In the world, maximum magnitude was shown on the Richter scale is 8.6 in 1920 in China. Effects of earthquake on Earth's surface. Effects of earthquake on the Earth's surface are very dangerous. The buildings of the people would be destroyed by the earthquake, people injured, and a lot of loss of lives of the peoples. Irrigation system also destroyed. What is irrigation system? The system of supplying water to the fields. For example, dams, canals, rivers. Due to earthquake, this system was destroyed by the earthquake. Electricity and water system damaged. The poles of electricity can be destroyed, and due to electricity and gas problems, fire can be started in different areas by the earthquakes. So earthquake is a big danger to the world. Now we shall discuss about the two great earthquakes of the world. In 1920, Guangzhou, China was hit by earthquake with 8.6 intensity on Richter scale, and due to this earthquake almost 2 lakhs people were died. And in 1923, Kanto, Japan was hit with 7.9 intensity. 1,43,000 people were killed due to this earthquake. Recapitulation and home assignment. Question number 1. Write the answers of short questions on your notebooks. First question is, define earthquake. What is the definition of earthquake? The vibration and shaking movement on the surface of earth is called earthquake. What is tsunami? Tsunami is the word of Japanese language. It means huge coastal waves. Define seismograph. The instrument used to measure the intensity of earthquake is known as seismograph. What is Richter scale? The intensity of earthquake is measured by a scale is called Richter scale. What is Richter scale? The intensity of earthquake is measured by a scale called as Richter scale. What are the causes of earthquakes? There are the two big causes of earthquakes. Number 1, movement of plates, and number 2, volcanism. Now we shall discuss about the long question. Write a note on the instruments used to measure earthquakes on your notebooks. To write this question, take help from your social study book. Also read page number 9 and solve this question on your notebook. This question is about the structure of seismograph. We have already discussed in this lecture about the structure of seismograph. I hope you will enjoy this lesson. Take care. Pray for me and for your parents. Okay, Allah Hafiz. Thank you.